How you guys doing? This is Ian the Chosen here. I want to show you this. Check this out. This right here is one of my creations. It is available on my Etsy page. The link is in the description below. Please be sure to check it out and please be sure to purchase it. Purchase all my artwork. You know, it really helps the channel out a lot. Thank you guys so much and enjoy the video. Lift your head, weary sinner, the river's just ahead. Down the path of forgiveness, salvation's waiting there. You built a mighty fortress, 10,000 burdens high. Love is here to lift you up, here to lift you high. If you're lost and wandering, come stumbling in like a prodigal child. See the walls start crumbling, let the gates of glory open wide. Are you straight and walked away? Unspeakable things you've done. Fix your eyes on the mountain, let the past be dead and gone. Come home, saints and sinners, you can outrun God. Whatever you've done can't overcome the power of the blood. If you're lost and wandering, come stumbling in like a prodigal child. See the walls start crumbling, let the gates of glory open wide. Oh, let the gates of glory open wide. Oh, let the gates of glory open wide. Hey, thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to go check out my Etsy page and purchase some of my artwork. It helps the channel out a lot. The link is down in the description below. And also, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank y'all so much. I will see y'all in the next video. I love y'all.